Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to create the table for the task, right? So we will show all the tasks in the input that particular table. So first, we need to write the classes for that. So here in models.py, we are going to write those classes. So here I'll say class, I'll say task, okay, and here I'll say models dot model, and also I will import from Django.contrib dot auth dot models import user. Okay, now here we will first create the drop down menu. Okay, so we are going to say low equals to 1, then medium. I'll also write this one in capital, equals to 2, and high equals to 3. Now I'll say priority choice underscore equals to the list of tuple. Oops. So yeah, here I'll say low, comma, low, then sorry, low. Okay, here it's going to be medium, comma, medium, then high, comma, high. Okay, now once this is done, let's start creating the fields. So here I'm going to say user equals to models dot foreign key. Okay, now this is going to take the parameter the database, which is going to be user. Now here I will say on cascade, I mean on delete equals to models dot cascade. So what this is going to do is whenever we delete the user, all the entries related to that user will be deleted. Okay, and related name is going to be tasks. Okay, now same way I will write title equals to models dot character field, and the max length is going to be 255 characters. Then we have description, okay, equals to models dot text field, and we will say blank equals to true, comma null equals to true. Okay, then we have completed status equals to models dot boolean field, and the default value is going to be false. Okay, then we have priority equals to models dot integer integer field, and here we are going to say choices equals to priority choice, I mean this variable, okay, comma default is going to be medium. Okay, so by default the task priority would be medium. All right, so yeah, this is what this means. Then we have created at, okay, equals to, we are going to say models dot date time field, and here we are going to say auto now underscore add is going to be true, and the updated at is going to be models dot date time field, and auto now is going to be true. Okay, so initially this will fetch the date and time the moment we save the data. After that, what it is going to do is whenever we update, it will take new entry, okay, new date and time, and it is going to update this field. The multiple times we update, multiple time it is going to change this field, and this created at is not going to change the field. So once we hit on save button, whatever the time and date would be, it will be saved and it not be changed. Okay, so this is what this both mean, right? Then after, I'll say def underscore underscore str underscore underscore self. I will explain this function when we save some data in the admin panel, I mean in the database, and I will show you the working of this function in the admin panel. Okay, so here I will say return f string, which is going to be formatted string. Here I will say self dot title, and in bracket is going to be self dot priority, or we can say get underscore priority underscore display. Cool. So once this is done, let's go ahead and make migration. I'll say python manage.py make migrations. Okay, so oh, I need to write comma over here. Migrations. So database has been created. Now I'll say python manage.py migrate. Cool. And also let's create the super user. So I'll say create super user, and the username is going to be admin. I'll leave this email blank and I'll say admin and admin. Okay, and in production I'll just change this admin password and username both. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and in next video I'll probably try to make a video that how we can save this task to the database. So yeah, I'll see you there. Thank you. Bye.